This is Marcia Stringer.
Yeah.
She's 63.
I'm going to tell you a story
I'm
about
63.
him.
We're all 63.
When we were in school, he
Yeah.
was dating a girl named Mary.
Mary. Oh, Mary.
That's
the one you showed me the picture of.
Mary.
We went on a date with this boy that it was my first date, Rod Hill. And he had a station wagon. And he and Mary were in the front seat, and Rod and I were in the middle seat. And they were going hot and heavy in the front seat, and he turns around and he says, "Do you mind if we get in the back?" We're so naive. We thought he meant the middle seat. We said, "No, go ahead." We get out thinking they're going to get in the middle.
You showed me a picture of her.
I don't recall remembering. I don't remember recalling.
We left the car, and we didn't come back for a long time.
I need your email. Phone number and email.
Here.
I saw the picture, and he said she was wild. I saw the picture in the yearbook.
I don't recall.
And she looked wild, too.
No, we were just
remember
all
recalling.
having